the COVID situation in Assam is grim. This was stated by none other than Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. Sharma pointed out that Assam had reported close to 2,600 cases on June 23rd, and the situation is no different today. There has been no dip in the number of cases in the last 10 days. Well, Sharma said, adding that the situation is concerning, especially in some districts like Golaghat, Lakhimpur, Sonitpur, Bishwanath, and even Kamrup Metro, where despite nest efforts by the administration, the numbers have risen a bit.
এতিয়াও সংকাজনক হৈ আছে যোৱা 23 তাৰিখে 2600 কেছ আছিল আজি 6 তাৰিখেও আমাৰ হাতত 2600 কেছ আছে যোৱা 10টা দিনত আমি এটাও কোভিড কেছ কমাব পৰা নাই অত্যন্ত উদ্বেগজনক হৈ আছে বিশেষকৈ জোৰহাট লখিমপুৰ গোলাঘাট শোণিতপুৰ বিশ্বনাথ শিৱসাগৰ এই জিলা কেইখনৰ পৰিস্থিতি অত্যন্ত উদ্বেগজনক হৈ আছে কামৰূপ মহানগৰ জিলাটো আমি শিথিল কৰাৰ পিছত সংখ্যা কিছু বাঢ়িছে আমি নজৰ ৰাখিছো কিন্তু অসমত আমি এটা ক'ব গ'লে আমি এটা এক্সপেৰিমেন্ট কৰিছিলো যে উইদাউট লকডাউন আমি কিমান দূৰ যাব পাৰো আৰু সেই এক্সপেৰিমেন্টৰ কাৰণে আজি আমি দৰিদ্ৰজনক কিছু অন্তত হকাহ দি হলেও কোভিডৰ সৈতে আমি যুঁজিব পাৰিছো
And meanwhile, Sharma's statement comes on a day the state has released a fresh set of SOPs. And moving on now, well, before we gauge the seriousness of the situation, let's have a look at the SOPs released today. Well, Assam today announced complete lockdown in as many as 7 districts in the wake of rising COVID cases. Well, the new SOPs released today have been segregated into 3 categories. The first category includes the 7 districts which have been categorized as red zones and put under a total lockdown for a period of 7 days. And the next category includes districts where curfew timings start from 2 p.m. And meanwhile, the last category consists of those districts where guidelines remain unchanged. And as per the new set of SOPs released today, curfew timings remained unchanged at 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. in Guwahati and 10 other districts, while curfew will be in place from 2 p.m. to 5 a.m. in 16 other districts of the state. And meanwhile, the ban on inter-district travel will continue to be in place until further notice. So viewers, let's first have a look at the districts where both active cases and positivity rate is high. Well, these include Gwalpara, Lakhimpur, Golaghat, Jorhat, Sonitpur, Bishwanath and Morigaon. And accordingly, all 7 districts have been put under lockdown or round-the-clock curfew. Meanwhile, improvement in positivity rate has been witnessed in Kamrup Metro, Dhubri, South Salmara, Majuli, Bongaigaon, Chirang, Udalguri, West Karbi Anglong, Dima Hasao, Chiraidio and Hailakandi. And as such, curfew timings in these districts remain unchanged at 5 p.m. to 5 a.m. In addition to this, deputy commissioners in all districts have been given full authority to take appropriate steps in dealing with the COVID-19 situation under their respective jurisdictions. Well, the DCs have the authority to declare containment zones in areas where cases rise. And meanwhile, the administration will also carry out testing and vaccination drives in full capacity. And not just this, well, each household will be given rupees 2,000 in cash in the particular containment zones. So viewers, let's very quickly listen to what Assam Health Minister Keshav Mahanta had to say on the situation in the districts out under lockdown. Listen in.
জিলা এসপ্তাহৰ বাবে টোটেল কন্টেইনমেন্টত থাকিব সেইকেইখন জিলা হৈছে গোৱালপাৰা গোলাঘাট যোৰহাট শোণিতপুৰ বিশ্বনাথ মৰিগাঁও আৰু উত্তৰ লখিমপুৰ এই জিলাকেইখনত অত্যাৱশ্যকীয় সেৱা আৰু গ্ৰ'চাৰী শ্বপ গেলামালৰ দোকান প্ৰত্যেক দিনেই বিয়লি 5 বজালৈকে খোলা থাকিব আৰু অন্যান্য হাট বজাৰ সকলো বন্ধ থাকিব।
While Health Minister Keshav Mahanta also highlighted that the COVID-19 figures have been unstable in Kamrup Metro despite the efforts of district administration and health officials. He appealed to the people to remain vigilant and follow COVID-19 protocols at all times.
ইয়াৰ ভিতৰতে এটা কথা আমাৰ আহ্বান আছে, সেইটো হৈছে কামৰূপ মেট্ৰ'। কামৰূপ মেট্ৰ'ৰ জিলাৰ সকলো বাসিন্দালে আমি আহ্বান জনাওঁ যে কামৰূপ মেট্ৰ'ত ক্ৰমান্বয়ে যি হ্ৰাস পাইছিল প্ৰশাসনৰ জিলা প্ৰশাসন, পুলিচ প্ৰশাসন, স্বাস্থ্য বিভাগৰ আৰু চেষ্টা আৰু ৰাইজৰ সহযোগত, কিন্তু এতিয়া ক্ৰমান্বয়ে ইয়াৰ ব্যতিক্ৰম দেখা গৈছে। আমাৰ বাকী যিখিনি বিধি ব্যৱস্থা, সকলো বিধি ব্যৱস্থা একেই আছে। ইণ্টাৰ ডিষ্ট্ৰিক্ট কমিউনিকেশ্যন বন্ধই থাকিব, আন্তঃ জিলা যিটো যোগাযোগ সেইটো আগৰ ধৰণে বন্ধ থাকিব।
So how have the figures been in the last 1 week as far as Kamrup Metro is concerned? So viewers, let's have a look. So you can see on your screens on June 30th, 137 COVID positive cases were reported in Kamrup Metro alone, and on June 30th, 91,000 tests were conducted across the state. And on July 1st, 176 COVID positive cases were reported in Kamrup Metro, 1.37 lakh tests were conducted across Assam. And on July 2nd, 186 cases were reported from Kamrup Metro. And on July 2nd, you can see that 1.53 lakh tests were conducted in Assam. And on July 3rd, that 168 COVID positive cases were reported in Kamrup Metro. And out of 1.334 lakh cases, tests were conducted across the state. And talking about on July 5th, on July 4th, 140 cases were reported in Kamrup Metro alone. So you can see the figures, they are very unstable. And as I've already mentioned that today, health minister, he very clearly the health minister has very clearly mentioned that the numbers are very unstable in Kamrup Metro, and he also appealed the people in Kamrup Metro to remain vigilant and to follow the COVID appropriate behavior, to follow the COVID protocols, and as the numbers are fluctuating on a daily basis. And if you see the figures, so where you can see on your screens that if you see the figures, the more the tests were conducted on the day, the numbers have gone up. For instance, you can see on July 2nd, you can see 1.53 lakh tests were conducted across the state, and out of which 186 cases came out positive alone in Kamrup Metro. The situation is very fluctuating, we can see, in Kamrup Metro. And also, is it concerning fact that on July 5, that is yesterday, 197 cases came out positive out of just 1.16 lakhs tests conducted across the state. So that has been a sudden rise. You can see that on July 4th, the number of positive cases in Kamrup Metro alone was 140. In 1 day itself, it became 197, out of which 1.16 lakh tests were conducted. So that it clearly shows that the more tests conducted, so numbers are rising on a daily basis. And no wonder Himanta Biswa Sharma, the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sharma, he very clearly mentioned that the situation is grim in Kamrup Metro. And not only Himanta Biswa Sharma, in fact, Assam Health Minister Keshav Mahanta, he also appeals the people of Kamrup Metro to follow all the COVID-19 protocols.